vlog. It's been a really long time since I've done like a weekend or a weekly vlog or whatever. But I needed to start the vlog off because if I didn't start the vlog off, then I would never freaking vlog. So I am on my way to Brunch, an influencer brunch, or well, a DFW content creators meetup, link up, whatever. It's at Whiskey Cake in Dallas. And yeah, I'm already late, y'all. I'm like 15 minutes late, so I just literally needed to start the vlog, and then I'll come talk to y'all later because today we have so much stuff to do. So I'm gonna bring y'all along to Brunch, and yeah, let's go.
I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the bell.
Now hers looks really good too, because that's what I was gonna get. You got a salad? I'ma support you. Good job. Good job.
I'm almost done though. June 23rd, I'm off at 75 hard.
Oh, you did 75 hard?
Yes.
How's it been? Oh, yeah, tell the vlog.
I went to Disney World.
You went to Disney World?
I went to Disney World. I had to eat healthy. I had to work out twice.
No, that's great.
I'm not gonna lie, if I put it on the internet, but I wouldn't finish.
If you what?
They don't know. Put it on the internet. They don't know. I wouldn't finish.
No, literally, yeah. And then it flips up. Yeah. So this is my vlogging screen. Yeah, it's my vlogging camera. Yeah, it's for my vlog. Yeah. Yeah, all forever. Okay, now say it again for this side.
She said introduce yourself and your aunt.
Because I think I'm really talking right now.
My name is Paris. My handle is Paris. And I give you style in your life, from beauty, fashion, all of that good stuff. I'm excited to celebrate with you guys today. Nice to meet you. 50% off.
Certain ones, I think. Look on the sale tab. What? Brandon Blackwood having a 50-70% off sale.
I deleted that email on purpose.
Not on purpose.
The Brandon Blackwood email, I deleted it.
Oh yeah, the only difference is mine goes up, y'all's goes.
Yeah, the other side.
Wait, which one is that?
Yeah.
This is the Canon M200.
I had a Canon, I had the G7X.
I heard bad things about that.
I immediately returned it.
Yeah, that's why I didn't get that one. But I did my research on this and that one, and I chose this one.
This is good. Given the quality,
Yeah, it was, yeah.
you can change your lenses.
And I have a Canon camera.
It's giving Chris. It's giving Chris.
They only have whiskey cake. That's all they have.
Okay, because that was cute. Y'all are crispy.
She said that video is crispy. Okay.
Why do I need?
Because you need time to get yourself together.
I can't snitch.
Did you get it?
No, I still don't like it. My eyes keep like.
We like this.
In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay. life with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, that I can have this moment for life. For life. For life. In this moment, life will feel so alive. 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 That I can have this moment for life. For life.
Drop down to your knees. No money, no mafia, that's where the love stays. I'm in the Dominican, they call me on stage. And when I talk it back, it's all these women just saying in the face. Shout out to the CEO, 500 degrees. Shout out to the OVO, represent the sleeves. Say they wanna be friends, I can listen in on. It's supposed to be all year, we ain't get the memo.
Money out of plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they money, shit ain't really brand new. I spend it 500 before I ever trap you.
All my buddies, one for me, one. Party with your best friends right now. 15th week and you ain't gotta work on Monday. What's that?
2,000 years later.
Hey y'all, so I know it's been a little while. I think the last time I picked up the camera I was going out, or I was outside and I showed that to y'all, but this is a couple days later. I was like Saturday, it's now Tuesday. I didn't do nothing yesterday, so I didn't pick up my camera, and this was originally supposed to be a weekend vlog, but I'm just gonna spill it over into today because I have things to do and I want to show y'all. So I am going to my first yoga class in like, I don't even know how long, y'all. Like, I used to do yoga when I first got to college, in high school a little bit, and it's something that I want to pick up again. I literally realized that I am just not like in a I want to work out mood. Like, I need to work out, but I don't want to work out. I just don't want to do it. It's not fun to me. I don't want to be outside and work out. I don't want to go to a gym and work out. So right now we're finding workout plans or workout methods that work for me. I guess you could say I'm in a soft girl era of working out or whatever. So we're gonna be doing a lot of walking and a lot of like yoga. I just want to focus on strengthening my core and like getting my shape back versus like, I know, lose weight. Like, no, I don't want to do that. I'm very comfortable in my body. I just would like it to be a little bit more toned in certain areas, and I've seen how my body looks. My weight fluctuates all the time because I go in and out of like, I want to be like this size and I want to work out and I want to do all these things, and like right now I just don't want to do all those things. I just want to make sure I'm moving my body. I just want to make sure I'm being healthier, eating a little bit better, but I mean, I'm not about to give up everything that I want to eat. So yeah, so we're going to yoga. This is the little fit. I was just gonna wear it, like I really was just gonna wear the bra and the leggings, but then I was like, we're not gonna do that. So I put on this shirt and then I just tied it up. The shirt is from Aerie, and then these leggings, I got these like 2 years ago, maybe even 3 years ago. I don't know. I got them this set because it's an actual set, and I have a top that goes with it. If I can find the top, I'll wear the top, but I know I probably won't be able to find the top, so we're gonna go with this because I'm gonna be late. It's like, I don't even know what time it is actually. I don't even know. I don't know. I just know I'm gonna be late. So class starts at 12. So I just do this on a break. All I gotta do is put on my shoes and I'm gonna go. I probably won't take y'all along with me because this is my first class and I don't want y'all to see me struggling. But I have a lot of stuff to do, and I'm actually gonna pop outside for a little bit tonight, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me throughout the day. And yeah, let's go to yoga. Y'all, I really gotta get a stand for my camera because now y'all are lopsided and I'm not about to fix this. But let me just tell y'all something. That yoga class, one, it was so good. It was so like you really get in tune with your energy and stuff like that, which is why I really like yoga. And I'm really into that. Like, y'all know I go to therapy and like I'm really into like my emotions, good energy, good vibes, all the good stuff. But let me tell y'all something. That was hard. Well, it wasn't hard. I just haven't done a class in such a long time. And like, I promise you, that was the most strenuous workout I've had in a very long time. Like, I don't know if it's because like I push myself more. Well, I think it's a combination of all things. I push myself more. I haven't been in yoga class in a really long time. My body was doing all these stretches that I haven't done in a very long time. I was sweating. Look at my skin. Like, I was red. Like, I was like, oh man. But the instructor was like, you did very, very good. Like, you stayed. I stayed with the class. It was only 4 of us. And so I was just, I'm very proud of me. I'm gonna pat myself on the back because yeah, like I have been saying I wanted to do yoga. Allure's not here this summer. This is the perfect time for me to do it. I work from home on Tuesdays because I have class on Tuesdays. And so I just want to do a workout that I feel like is good for my body, like that I like. So my goal is to do it every single Tuesday. I am not recording myself, y'all. I'm not recording myself for a long time. So y'all probably see like the class and stuff. Like I recorded like where I go and stuff like that, but the class and stuff until freaking probably like the fall, honestly, because I know I have to give my body time. And so I'm gonna push myself to work out 3 times a week right now. I'm gonna walk twice a week and do yoga once a week, and we'll see where that gets us, because I'm just, yeah, I just gotta ease myself back into things. But nonetheless, I was supposed to do all these things today. I probably won't do them, but I do have to film in the morning. I have to do a swimsuit haul and some other things for y'all. So I'm supposed to go out tonight. That's what I'm supposed to do. But I will bring y'all along like when I'm doing something today. I don't know that I'm gonna run errands. I am about to go by my grandma's house, but I don't know if I'm actually run errands, because I'm not gonna hold y'all. I just want to take a shower and lay in my bed. I'm gonna find something to eat and then lay in my bed because I'm exhausted. Freaking exhausted. But let me go because these people next to me are like yelling at each other. So I'll pick y'all back up later. Okay, so change of plans. My boyfriend decided to pop up on me. So I'm gonna go, what are we doing? Going to Best Buy to browse around, and then we're gonna go to Target and browse around. And I haven't even gotten to change clothes yet. So
just sweat out your clothes. So, it's like 100 degrees.
Yeah, it's one. Why you think it's 100 degrees literally in Texas right now? So yeah, I'm gonna, you know, that's what we doing. My hair looks bad. Not iPads or anything. Oh, you know what? I should have brought my purse. I could have bought some AirPods. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah, well, but I just found my other AirPod, so I probably won't do that. Oh, this is actually rather ghetto. No, I think people be stealing them. Do y'all have them anywhere? Are y'all out of them?
No, we have some in stock. We just don't have them out on display.
People be stealing them. I told you. I told you.
They have all
That's
I'm gonna go look at them.
perfect. Thank you. Wesley, what'd I tell you? Let's go to Arlington. Me trying to parlay you. No. Not me. Record. Oh. Yes, babe. You don't want one?
I mean,
I don't even know how to... Stop moving. I don't even know how to use this, actually. Oh, play. Oh, there's no memory.
You mean to tell me this ain't touchscreen? All these years and you want to look like LeBron? Oh my God.
What is it? Like, how do you do this? No, but this is what I want, for sure. How much is this? It's giving not a lot.
It may be on clearance.
Yeah. Let me see.